Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everybody. My regards to everybody in this very Saturday evening. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Kumbajan Mane. My fellow Gambians, I just want to speak on something which is very important. These are to people in Europe. People in Europe. We are now experiencing something very bad for we the migrants in Europe, no matter what document you have, whether you are documented or you are not documented, whether you are naturalized or you are not naturalized. There are far-right movements now all over Europe. We are seeing it all over Europe now. Because during the European election, we have seen in every European country, basically the main European countries, the power European countries, the far-right movement political parties are gaining momentum. They are gaining momentum. The far-right movements, they are gaining momentum. And these far-right political parties, they are against migrants. They are against migrants. So, why should we be careful now? Because these far-right movements, they can attack you anytime. They can harm you. They can discriminate you anywhere. They can humiliate you. What are we going to do in retaliation? That is to react. And when we react, it is our disadvantage. So we don't need to do it. So coming back in a short Facebook program, because you want in Bekono, mbe akolu jube come back in various countries in Europe, Germany, Austria, Holland, England, Ireland, almost every part of Europe, Italy, everywhere, be banku dingulu political party ol soto da minuli a lonko e malla fi luntan ko la andum ntel luntangolu na ko abala fa warata baki mbotan na bankol kan we are trying everything to settle in these European countries legally, and we are doing our hard work to earn our living. Hard work. But these far-right movement people, most of them are very useless people. They are destitutes. Most of them, some of them are even living on the streets, and they are angry of the foreigners, thinking that we are taking their social welfare from them. But forgetting that they are living on the street. Keba Sunkumbaro, Kumba Janmane, May Musa Sedi, I am working, paying my dues, paying my income tax, paying my tax for them to have their health care, for them to have shelter. But why they are living on the street? Because they don't want to be controlled by anybody. They don't want to work, they don't want to do anything. So, ndebe min appeal la Gambiano be, alinga vigilant bake, nga vigilant bake. These far-right movements, ila molu ikatapasi roleke. Andung Gambiano, yes, fine, thank you, my brother. I'm fine. I just but I have experienced something on the road, so amankeko yent discriminate no, but I am seeing everywhere. They are demonstrating, and you see the symptoms. Even if you go to YouTube, YouTube, especially in Holland, you see it. In England, you see it. In Ireland, here, you see it. Everywhere. Now they are demonstrating they don't want migrants. But illegal migrants. Illegal migrants. How would they know you are illegal or you are legal in a country? How would they know? Because Nini Telu Benta, this far-right movement, Nini Benta, they provoke you because of your race. Itamu race mint. when you are a black, you are a Chinese, or you are an Arab, it can provoke. Because the English people knows, near British or British already. So, we are against the foreigners. So, ndebe dani ro minkela na badin until be mu foreignality. Alinka na kaito obe jibole kono. We are originated from somewhere. So, you can categorize the ko we are foreigners. Assalamu alaikum, sister Abun Bali. You can categorize the ko we are foreigners. Andu niye attack Gambiano dun katariala fango jela bakele. Dukarembe dani ro kela Gambiano beburu. Ni isingo mang lanjur. Isim man kati, isim buke dimi. Ni far right solo in laftanale kanke attack. Iborieta, the closest place it a feel ko is safe no damning. Ye famo safe je. Don't stand ya for nibe kelenale. You will be the loser. You know why? Because they are armed. Ise sono murola. Dolbe je katara turine. Ise la dolokabo tenole ye so. Ye fa. Ni ye fa. Jam police ba fulal ko we are doing the investigation. Ni o mari muta. At tambila karidan tan na dron. E babula la because e ba fulal ko ay psychological problem le so. Itemi mu breadwinner ila family. Ibe tubab duje be struggle la. Ibe Western Union lu kila. Mo tangol be balula itela. Wol itebe loose la wol be loose la. Ika wolle la ika dolla karamol jo. Ika dolla university lu jo. Ika dolu dingolu ila jata kendal and everything. Nyimo kensengolu bijay be silo kan ikatalo silo kay be daniro kela. Sometimes hanite fang ite mo fi mo fang ke dani and lu ikeso. But now they will fight against you because of ila social welfare. But ite be do ko la jam. Ibela social welfare joka, ibela jusol joka. You know, coming ila alpha follow ye do ko minke. Fo niaje Europe lota no asingola. Mbe o danro kela Gambiano beburo. Alga vigilant ngan careful mola fatiyate nyinti. Ndelle nata wandiya. Yes, mbarne o sena nyanja mbe kondor. Ndelle nata ya. Niaje nyimbe kela mola yale mandiya. Mbe nyine kelola luwolu. Nka nyine diamu na banko la kuoto every day. Ko na banko maralalu ali banko dingolu je. Ni aje tubabol be lola jahara ikafu ko luntawol mal ni jangal bojam. Because ya feel ko we need them most than they need us. Bari ila politician on ke agumeno dilale. Kaitan dilako. Alikla ftaka minke wota kenola because ñi luntawol ibe do ko la jam. Alka mira alta statistico jube bang luntan jellom yes asylum seekers bari tubabol le follow asylum o kumas dunia kono itelle asylum o kumas so if an alta dulal le tunun to seek asylum ni woke tella nun kunum bi telbe min keka asylum seekers most of them are running from prosecution whether it is true or not itelle be o establish la. It establish la. But the issue is that ko more be mimbebe to abdu abe manke illegal migrant. Andu sai kamunefo some are illegal migrants, some are economical migrants. And we cannot take care of them. Because Europe B, itata Europe banko they all have a similar problem. Housing problem is in Europe. Housing problem is in Europe. So ñin luntawol ka wo blame mo leta ka fuko balala ñin banku de ka wo blame mo leta ka balala luntawol ka iko because ikela bungol di luntawol le. So ila kamfa bente luntawol kama amanke fe wo fentide it is the social benefit. Ika oda mala kamfa mol kam. So we ntel luntawol alngan keku manna ñin banku kan kelola. Itebe dunna pleno lale over 6,000 kilometers iko kata kelol hani iman na kelela jam iman na jam ndela fatiyata mo manke nyan choti jam alkana kelo ke jam ni lan nyaay faray groupol je ilafte attaque ni si borino yete famo safe dulato ale police ol kumandi ibori ye famo safe ye police ol kumandi That's very simple. Amankela Joteyat, you are saving your life. You are saving your own life. Kanalo, iko puru sama, nsita ngafo molego, nin tubabu lule keleta, nin tubabu sabale keleta. Ibe mune benefit soto laji. What benefit are you going to get there? Ibe sola murola, ibe fala, itelebe bonola ila moli bono. Yatre you are sponsoring other people, you will be bonondi. Be near Holland Juve. God will das mimbeje. 25 years. 25 years. Abe Prime Minister ya Ninola. Amaso. This year, Hollande le carte of fire. Over 2 million Hollandese people le carte of fire. Be a Hainanje. Fighting. Pour foreigner bondi banko nyinka. Fighting. Pour Muslim bondi banko ka. I do not want to go to religion because ntelu foreigner sol milu bebe in the West made out from different religions. But ateka fight back because they don't want Muslim culture in their country. Be near Irish capital of Jube in Dublin. Because they don't need foreigners, let them get out. Let them get out. So, what about today? Nitamu minority, you want to go through that city center in Dublin. Anything could happen to you, they could attack you. We have seen in UK. Mbengaji Janne, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, Ming happened in UK. And this trend is going. Albania, you watching European countries are ready to do mass deportation of foreigners because ila bankudul are on their neck. Alintel Fanalu, let us be on the neck of our leaders in Africa. We have everything, but we are suffering. Gambia nol ka katatuwa bubaki. Kadoku ke ni sembola. Ibuka doku nyala tombong. Dolu. Because the first thing, Mafo minul nata England, Mafo minul nata Scotland world to English-speaking countries to from Gambia. But in telu minul ya lonko mbota Gambia tara Germany world to Switzerland world to Austria world to Norway world to Sweden world to nkebama jama beje nkata do ko la mbuka mfangolo develop karangola because mbuka opportunity fango shot. Kabrin jelon tubabol can discriminate. Because they know ko B ninga nyinulu karande nyile no karawala nyile ka concentrate in teluti, but they don't give us that opportunity. So today ika kamfa ikamuta kon telbe la social benefit le noka yatara kabring at the beginning ye bunda la sorom mol, but itele yam ika proudi yale la ndel fanal nyanta proud la yalla. Wala yatina alingam na political change bang na political mindset falling ni aje bi Gambia bi takan turu nyinna ala jumbe Gambia dinjel ka bula bala every day. Just recently iko 60 Gambian wole fata 64 people lewe kulungo kono 60 Gambian iko wole fata womanke sate mumewti. Koteke just recently, mbaje kam over 148 people be kulungo mimfanangono. Eko sembeta malo muntoleto. Gambia. Gambia tinjele kana koma silola. Koma silo. Munatine kana koma silola. Because of yate mala, there is no job. Living condition is terrible. Health is terrible. Education is terrible. Everything is terrible. Ngana fana nga futa tubabu dujan tubabu konten nijila because they don't need us. Because they don't need us. In the first place, mo fingola bamba ngolom ni wonte until we will all have psychological problem. Bebe depressed la. So ntebe dami role kala Gambian o bebu. At this right moment, Gambian olu mol minuli alonko, you like going to clubbing, you like going to isolated places. Be careful. Be careful, because these far rights are all over Europe, and the same message will be broken in the whole Europe. Far right movement, it be the same message, it be all kareka. The same message, it be katani wala. And they have a network. They have a network. So itemi ya lonko itele bote ya inata kela hajo nyini pour que fan nafa suo kono ye badi ngolu nafa. You give them shelter, you give them food, you want to help them pour ni sa te jarar kendo soto oto ite mari fanan nyante famo protect la. Please let nobody fight. Maybe for nibe self defense so nyini le famo buru. Good evening, my brother Jack Jack. Nibe self defense so nyini la ye paper spray nyini. Paper spray. Don't even go with knife, because if you go with knife, even in their police, you have far rights there. Bari ite tariala wolulona fonini krasta. But paper spray for self defense. In case ni molu kidite kay lafte ros la ye spray te fana ye boy yete la hajo. Don't stand and fight with them. Andum mol miliyalon ko alnal la dimbayal be jam. Alal la dindingol diamundi karamundo when they bully them. What they have to do is that let them look for a witness, yet I report to the school authorities, whoever bullies them. Because some far right people need hani dingol fam bebul ike dingol sindila ka forina kumo foye ka kuyandi wole suoko. Ika forina kuo fam kuyandi wole suoko. So oto alingan na dimbayal fanali yamar, so that ndingolu they will not go outside there to fight. Yes, I know Umar Esbar. I know. So please, alingan na hajo lulong, ngan tadula lulong, ngan kepo lulong. Yate mala. Begin struggle be kono jang in this danger. Yade currently ntela do kudla, they send us an email na do kudla be. Ye email o kimo be. Ko we need to have an emergency telephone number. Why that emergency telephone number? Simply because if need, for example, etenyantana do ko lay me moy, it's a emergency number call, whether ibotela suo kono wala something happened to you. Because you believe leko, these far rights could attack you even inside the bus, inside the train, anywhere. It's a attack no. It's a attack no. So let us not fight. Where can the last resort? Let us use this. We escaped them. Amanke mola jote ya. You are saving your life. Amanke ko ka sila ukute. Ni silolo mtinala jam. Ni atan ko ka sila mtinala jam. Oto sila mku wonte. But how can you fight with 3 or 4 people? After a malon famune be wolubulu. Why not you run away and save your life? Why should you fight? Wala atina del funding kewol minuli halon ko betu abdu jam mbe nyaay suo ko no jabe tinyala funding kewol betu abdu ika adama baro fasa Gambia because aka fenne dila nkaje mol ka fu ko ni bota tu abdu jam ikata president ko moto di la state house ka moto dila ka essential dila bota tu abdu jam ya tara ite manta o president ya naka be moto dila la be essential dila kay hani loptanol to buka ila ambulance buka essential so. It is a taxi journal. But how many Gambians le bije ni la mo fa sa sa te bulu suto? Some people will go to their neighbors pour la neighbor ye makoy. Ye la sa sa to evacuate to any hospital. let us think wisely. Mbe manke politiko ti de. Politique foye fam kon. Politicien olu kali ajele ye 60 million le landi family ye koni tel sasata ibite jarala wala sai wo be man kanyang Adama Barrow ko alafte loptano lo ay State House ndeni tetala wo loptano to de sai wo 60 million ole sai ni wo loptano fana lo Adama Barrow Chinese oli alo budgeto nyimbe karbola mun tolto every year mimbe boro kala wo loptano Gambian taxpayers. So afisiata mole ning far right so le nyo bay jang yem bay ngam bori ngam mabo wala fisiata nga say Gambia nin tara Gambia be mu nek la ji. Oto ala ngam fangol protect in a manner and on sem fangol conduct kendeke ni mil kata out in la club tal ni nyim fonkol ala limit follow because munom far right movement will be all over Europe and abe wajabi kande. This is just my brotherly advice to myself and to everybody. Because what I'm seeing, ndeka social media, amanke Gambia damati de, ndeka social media follow bakele, ngalo nenka aerial minulu jube. Sometimes they give me sense, ngana connection okay with Gambia, and I do my analysis on them. So we need to be careful. This is just my friendly advice to everybody. Na advice pe momo batandile se hako boindinya, but I just want, I will try to save myself, and I want all my brothers and sisters to be safe. Allah baraka. Thank you so much. Mbedan na liye jande for what you do. Allah baraka baki.